Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My tips for you today, Amor fati, love or fate. Not easy, right? How can I love everything that happens to me when it's so hard? Well, I'm not there yet either with the love of it, but at least when things are getting hard or not the way I want them to be, by practicing Amor fati, what happens? You remove the frustration and you become more creative. Every time you have a situation that's not the way you'd want it to be, the lockdown, the COVID, the fact that Christmas and New Year might not be with the families and friends, instead of staying in the, it's not fair, I don't want it like this, how are we going to do that? Okay, have your 5 minutes. And then ask yourself, what do I need to happen, to do, to create for this situation to be more bearable? How can I make the most out of it? And when you do that, your attention is going to go on what can I do to make that better? And the things will be more bearable. Remember last week I told you, plan your Christmas, be creative, make it different. Do that with everything in your life because that's the way life goes. There are moments that we love everything, there are moments it's so hard to deal with it. So when it becomes hard, remember to yourself, Amor fati. When things get tough, Amor fati. What do I need to happen for this to be more bearable? How can I influence that for it to be more bearable, to be better, to be fun, to be different? You can do it. Amor fati. Ciao.